Welcome, today I'm showing you how to change screen recorder sound settings into a Samsung Galaxy Tab S8. First of all, you need to open your settings, and here you need to find Advanced Features option. Go into, and in this option you choose Screenshot and Screen Recorder option. And now, how you can see, here will be your screen recorder block, and first option in the list in this block, Sound option. If you press on this option, you can change your sound option, so with no sound or media sound and microphone. And for saving your option, you need to choose and it saves automatically. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.